Welcome back. You're watching Weekend Prime. Attorney General Paul Kihara Kariuki has indicated that he will move to the Supreme Court of Kenya, seeking to overturn the Court of Appeal decision that declared the BBI process illegal and permanently stopped IEBC from holding a referendum. However, political pundits have warned that the Attorney General will suffer further embarrassment and humiliation at the Apex Court. And as our Patrick Amimo reports, the decisions by the High Court and Court of Appeal to stop reggae has scuttled President Uhuru Kenyatta and ODM leader Raila Odinga's 2022 succession plan.
March 2018 handshake at the office of the President's steps, Harambee House, birthed the BBI process. President Uhuru Kenyatta and ODM leader Raila Odinga drummed support for BBI.
To me, President Uhuru Kenyatta never wanted the BBI to pass, because the BBI to him was a tool that he used, one, to get William Ruto out of State House and demanding for half of government, two, to remove Raila Odinga from the streets, free to get legitimacy.
It is possible that he possibly just wanted pacification and appeasement, and that he has used the BBI over this period to appease his principal nemesis in the person of Raila Odinga. And now, as he reaches his home stretch, it doesn't matter very much.
The Deputy President William Ruto was opposed to BBI, claiming it was Raila Odinga's 2022 game plan. Both the President and Odinga denied the claim. The BBI process generated controversy and ended up at the courts. Both the High Court and Court of Appeal have unanimously declared BBI null and void.
You clearly heard the owners of the BBI, especially Raila Odinga and the ODM battalion, repeatedly telling William Ruto, do not try to cross over to join us. Let us meet at the referendum ballot box. From that context, they have been left with a bloody nose.
The coalition the President and Raila Odinga were crafting has come out as a cropper. The narrative of William Ruto that this BBI was purely a creature to enable people get positions seems to be sinking with the citizens.
Even after the Court of Appeal pronounced itself loud and clear on the BBI process, the Attorney General Paul Kihara says he will appeal the decision at the Supreme Court.
There can never be any judicial officer who will allow the BBI so long as there is a clause to bring in the judicial ombudsman, and where all judicial officers or judges know that if they allow an ombudsman to... Justice Musinga raised that question. It was never a subject of litigation anywhere, but he raised it, that the judiciary's independence cannot be encroached by anybody.
Having listened to the determination by the High Court and now the Court of Appeal, there is no doubt in my mind that they will leave the Supreme Court more bloodied, more humiliated, and therefore the choice is theirs.
Raila Odinga said his decision to contest for the presidency was hinged on BBI that, among other proposals, sought to expand the executive by introducing the office of the Prime Minister with 2 deputies.
If now what they hoped as the vehicle to move forward has been shattered, are they able to catch up with the distance William Ruto has crafted? Politics, a day in politics, is a very, very long year. But the distance is massive. They will need to go to the drawing board. And that is why Baba said, let me focus on the trees and the forest. Out the BBI. The BBI was a mistake.
Yeah, we have reached now. I think it's for each one of these gentlemen to saddle his own horse and to take it to the racecourse. and the best of them will possibly win.
Patrick Amimo, KTN News.
To health, falling sick in Kenya is not only a sad affair.